It is high time I start explaining my movements on creating acrylic glass frameless picture. It's high time I start saying the reasons of the do's and the don'ts on acrylic glass picture frameless. Hello, if this is your first time, you're highly welcome. We only talk about picture framing. Anything on picture framing, you will find it in this channel. We educate people on how to start picture framing business. That's all we do on this channel. You are highly welcome. Please, if you want to learn, find out time to watch other videos and listen to my voices is very, very important. So let's dive on. Before this stage, if this is your first time watching this video, go and see how I print pictures, laminate it. You must laminate your picture. Please, it is very, very important. Okay? Watch other videos to see papers, materials. Alright? Thank you. You can also join membership. Joining membership is if you are the type that loves to learn something new, step by step, from the beginning of the knowledge to the end. That's when you can join membership. And the one you are meant to join is second stage, the one of special students, not the first one, not the least amount, the highest amount of the membership. I promise you, you will learn everything under 1 month and start your business. All right? The step-by-step videos is on the playlist. If you click on this channel, check out the playlist. The playlist has the step-by-step videos, and the videos on that playlist is the videos on the second membership. So I'm urging you to join the membership if you really want to learn. Okay? Join membership. I'm leaking secrets. A lot of secrets about this business is on membership. So if you really want to start this business, I will urge you to join membership, especially the second stage. Do well to join the membership. You will not regret it. Okay? So let's dive on. This process is normal. Just after the printing and the lamination, those who have been on this channel, my fans who have been watching my videos, you guys already know this process. Okay? The important message I really want to pass across is towards the end of this video. Towards the end of this video, where I did not remove the first face of the acrylic glass. Alright? Along the process, you will see that I did not remove any side of the acrylic glass at all. It's towards the end. I now realize the mistake. Alright? There is important thing I really want to say. What is that? The reason why I first remove the first face of the acrylic glass. The first face is the one that will be inside. That is the main reason why I first remove it. I won't remove the two face immediately. That's the reason I want to say in this video. Okay? So just be following my movements. I will say the reason. You will see what happened. Okay? Okay, it's time to remove the paper. I thought I removed the first face that is inside. Can you see what's happened? I start to remove the paper covering the outs of the acrylic glass, with hope that I've removed the one inner. I now see brownish. So the message, the reason why I first removed the inner face of the acrylic glass and without removing the outer one is because if your bare hand touches this acrylic glass, can you see how I'm avoiding my hand touching it? If your bare hand touches, the grease on your hand will spoil the smoothness of this acrylic glass. It will not be neat again. It will automatically spoil the beauty of this picture. And if you notice, after removing that first face, I want to press it, but the hole I created can't match. It can't match because that one I place inside should be outside. So I don't have any other choice than to remove the two at once. Can you see the magic here? That's why along the line, I first remove the inner one so that after the work, after everything, you will now remove the outside, which will be the last thing to do and showcase your work, the fineness, the beauty of your work. If you really want to understand what I'm saying, watch other videos. You will see that I first remove the first face of the acrylic, which is the one that will be inside. Alright, then at the end, I will remove the outer one. Watch other videos to see what I am talking about. Okay, please help me to share with others. Love you guys.